Welcome. If you want to stay updated on important posts from a Facebook page you manage or follow, enabling notifications for specific posts is a great way to make sure you never miss an update or conversation. With the latest Facebook update on PC, this process is now quicker and easier than ever. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Log in if you haven't already. You'll land on your home page where you can access your feed and all the pages you manage. Now, find the post from the page you want to keep a close eye on. You can do this by scrolling through your feed, searching for the page, or going directly to the page's timeline. Take your time to locate the exact post you want notifications from. Once you've spotted the post, look for the three dots icon at the top right corner of the post. This small icon opens a menu with more options tailored just for that post. Click on those three dots. A list of choices will appear, but the one you're interested in is turn on notifications for this post. Select it. That's it. From this moment, Facebook will start sending you notifications whenever there's new activity on that specific post. This means anytime someone comments or reacts, you'll receive an alert, allowing you to join the conversation or stay updated instantly. This feature is especially handy if you want to track breaking news, an important announcement, or a community discussion. You'll never have to worry about missing a key comment or development. If you ever decide that you no longer want to receive these updates, just revisit the same post. Click the three dots again and select Turn off notifications for this post. Simple and flexible. Give these steps a try the next time you see a post you want to follow closely, and enjoy staying effortlessly connected to the moments that matter most on Facebook.